Hey, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and if you are watching this video right now, chances are that you have been following me on this turning $100 to $1 million challenge that I started on February 15th. And as I'm creating this video right now, today is March 27th, and I'm going to be showing you how far we have gone and where are we, and I'm going to be revealing one quick strategy also for you right on this video. By the way, if this is the first time you are stumbling on my channel or on my video, do me a favor, strike on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when next I upload this kind of insightful and educative video. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen. Let me share my screen. So right now, this is where we are. As you can see, this is my FX book. Okay, so this is my FX book. Right now we are at 593.15%. The maximum drawdown we've gotten so far on this challenge is 37.01, and as you can see, we started with $102.65, and right now the balance, we are at $692.8, $692 $792.80. So this is where we are right now. Our average daily return has been 5.20. So let me share the my screen of my MT5 and show you the trades, the positions that we have going on. So as you can see, the market, remember my song, as the market was crashing, I was buying. As the market was crashing, I was buying. As the market was crashing. So because this is indices, this is NASDAQ, and I know that there's no way market will crash that it will not go back up as long as my position sizing is okay. So like right now I'm doing 0.04, and remember, this strategy is called stacking strategy, but I'm reversing the engineer of it. So it's called reversed engineer stacking strategy. So what that means, because the market is crashing, to every bearish candle that closes, my expert advisor is buying. I developed this for myself. But by the way, if you need a copy for yourself, you can get in touch with me either through my Telegram channel, or you can private message me, or just connect with me on WhatsApp. So this is the artificial intelligence. You can see so far now we have 28 positions open, and the total drawdown right now is $158. Remember, the balance on this account is $692. So there's going to be a news, I believe a news coming up in the next few minutes. I'm creating this video by 7:16. So in the next 14 minutes, there's going to be two major news coming up for USD. Let me see if we can share that. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. So right here, so as you can see, so today Thursday, so there's going to be final GDP, okay, news, and then there's going to be unemployment claims, and there's going to be, so it's going to be a busy day for USD. So that means two things might happen. It is either this account will blow or it will go back up. Okay, so my expectation is the news will push this, okay, back up. But then if you look at 4 hours, on 4 hours, if you took Fibonacci, okay, retracement, you could see the market has been selling for the past 4 weeks thereabout now. Then it retraced and it stopped at 38.2 Fibo level. Now it's coming back down. My fear is this might be a beginning of another leg, but I'm combining fundamental and technical. Technical wise, this should be another sell-off. Okay, it should be a beginning of another sell-off. And fundamental wise, also with everything going on, the trade war, uncertainty, the economy and everything, this might be the beginning of another sell-off. But then before that sell-off, it's possible it will come back to retest here. So on 1 hour, if you can see, right now there's this trend line. So this trend line here, this trend line here, you can see that touch right there. So it's possible it will sell off and touch this trend line and bounce back from there. So if it comes back, okay, there's going to be more position adding to these particular positions, and the goal is at least one way or the other it will go back up, provided it doesn't blow. Right now the margins still having the 22.43. My equity is $521. If I decide to close this position right now, I'm still good. I'm still within my tracking. You remember the roadmap that we are following. By the way, hang on, because I'm going to be showing you a new strategy that you can use to trade this kind of a challenge. Okay, so make sure you hang in there with me. So this is the roadmap we'll be following if you have been following me. So right now we are $100 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 800. So this is where we are right now, trying to take 400 to 800. This is supposed to be the third month, okay, step, but then we are doing this in 5 weeks. So I'll be able to take the $100 to over $600 now in 5 weeks. So when it was $100, I was trading 0.01. Somebody asked me what is the lot size. When it was 200, I was trading 0.2. 400, now I'm trading 0.04. And the goal is to grow this account from $100 to $1 million in 14 or 15 months. Okay, is it doable? Yes. Can everybody do this? Yes. Will everybody do this? No. So that is what we are doing right now. So now let me quickly just reveal one strategy also that you can use, okay, to trade this challenge, or to trade, it doesn't matter whether this challenge, either short term, long term, either you're a day trader, you're a swing trader, or you're a scalper. And the strategy is right here. Okay, I call this one my easy PC system. So it comprises of 5 indicators, or let's just say 5 indicators. So we have the 20 EMA, we have the 50 EMA, we have the 100 EMA, and we have the 200 EMA. So if you are trading, let's say on a lower time frame, on 2 minutes, this will be your entry right here. Okay, this will be your entry right here, because we want the trend to start, retrace, then boom. So I'm using Ekineshi. So this will be your entry. Your stop loss will come here. You can do 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, you will get over here. Now if you are using let's say 5 minutes, if you're using 5 minutes, the same thing also, the trend forms right here, as you can see. So it comes down. This looks like a Nasdaq is still going to sell, because it comes down, it retraces. Now this is another signal. So if I am actually trading this like a one position at a time, this will be my sell. Okay, so it therefore means that right there, as opposed to put a sell right there, let's so this will be a sell. So let's increase this. So this will be so you put a sell at the end of this candle, then the stop loss will go right above this place. And what I would do if I am trading this, I can target this low right here, and I'm thinking this is what might really play out. We're going to see after the news what happens. So you can see right there, then I have my RSI. So the RSI is below 50. When the RSI is below 50 also, that tells you that this is still a sell market. But because the news that is coming, it's what I am expecting. I mean, I might be wrong. The news can just come like this, come to this demand order block, and just possibly do like this. This is what I am expecting that it will do today. this is what I'm expecting that it will do today, and I might be wrong, and it might just like, okay, boom, 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 and start selling down today. Either way, we will see how it goes. So I will keep you updated as this continues, but it's the goal is not how much we make. The goal is for you to learn. You can decide to do this challenge for yourself, okay? Once again, I'm going to be, keeping you updated. Hopefully, by the time we are closing these positions, hopefully it survives. Then we'll come back and I will show you how it goes. Okay, all right. So as you can see, the news didn't really move the market as expected. So right now I've been closing some manually. So as you can see, the balance we have right now is $701 and the equity is $624. So I'm going to manually close some of this position again. The reason why I'm doing this is if you go to 4 hours, like I said before, this leg looked like a continuation. Okay, it came down, it went back to Fibo level of 38.2. This leg supposed to be continuation leg, okay? And just in case the market dribbles and decide to go back down, I want to be saving on my margin level. So I'm going to manually close this right now. And what do I do? That is one of the reasons why I like MT5. So I'm just going to right click, go to bulk operations and set close profitable positions, and boom. So right now we are at $718 balance. The equity is 630. If I decide to close even the drawdown, I'm still good. If we go back to, let's go to our tracking third party. So that some people will say, oh, it is demo. This is not demo, this is live. Okay, this is live account. And as you can see right here, so right now, as you can see on my FX book, so this is it right here. I just refresh, so you can see gain 610%. Wow, 610%. The balance right now is 718. The interest paid so far is $20. I love this broker. I connected this account with another set of accounts, 2-3 accounts. They didn't survive this drawdown, they blew out, but this one still keeps standing. So as you can see right now, 610% in 5 weeks. Are you kidding me? That is awesome. So I'll just grow. I'm going to let this to continue to run, and once again I will update you as this progresses. I don't want to keep this video long, but I hope you are following. You're following up and following through with me. And like I said, you can decide to do this challenge for yourself. Just start with something you can afford to lose, like $100. I know I still don't know why I don't want to do it. Like, what I can do right now is take out like $400 from this account and start fresh with $200. But I don't want to do it. I'm just going to let it run. Hopefully, keep praying for me. If we get to maybe $1,000, I can decide to pay myself from that and then continue the challenge. Okay, I hope this makes sense to you. And once again, if you have not liked this video, come on now, just to at least encourage me, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.